In this video, I'm going to discuss few tools which I have found very useful when it comes to productivity with the help of AI or artificial intelligence. First and foremost, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model created to hold a conversation with the end user just like a human. So if you have any text-based task which you think your productivity can increase, then either try ChatGPT or Notion or Jasper. And there are various others too like Bard and um, other companies are also releasing their own tooling. If you want to do some video stuff, then one of my favorite tool is Runway. Runway is a tool which can generate brief video clips based on text prompts. Very cool. I will really urge you to try it out. Then we have audio. In audio, Murph is really cool, which make studio quality voice overs in minutes. You can use Murph lifelike AI voices for podcast, videos, and all your professional presentations. If you are doing some of the stuff around face recognition and stuff, then try out Charisma. Charisma is an easy to use platform to create believable and lifelike characters. And this is trusted by various reputed organizations. Then we have Ferret. Ferret is an AI platform architected from the ground up to empower companies and individuals with real time, unbiased intelligence to identify risks and embrace opportunities. Leveraging cutting-edge AI and more than hundreds of thousands of global data sources, Ferret provides information once only available to the financial industry and business leaders. But you don't have to do much legwork here as Ferret is your friend. Then we have Resemble. Resemble Resemble's AI voice generator lets you create realistic human-like voiceovers in seconds. It's very cool. One of my favorite tools is Fireflies. Fireflies helps your team record, transcribe, search, and analyze voice conversations. Very helpful when you are doing meetings. And then for productivity in general, you have Heyday. Heyday is an AI powered memory assistant that resurfaces content you forget about while you browse the web. And then for coding, there are lots and lots of tooling available, such as AWS Code Whisperer, which you can integrate with your code editors like VS Code, or you can use it even Cloud Shell. And then we have another very cool tool called as Tab 9. If you haven't tried it out, I would highly suggest you try it out, especially with Python. I hope that you liked this video. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.